Kipulit jong ka Meghalaya ha ka jingpingo na ka banta ban pinyai bej pinyai ranti yak election ban je di kinong mikmat sa ka yeng dor bar thawan ka jala kipulit kilakam hadu nriwu kunai ngut kibru ki penthut yak ka songsok sen san harangkat ka pisa ka bakot da ki phok lur tengka nakaliang Dr. Laja Ram Bisnoy ubade Director General of Police ulai thu ba ka jingyo ban kurup yak pisa ka long ka bakrau bha ha kani ka kanti ba manta bat ka balapan khain lun iki record ba munchwa.
Cases were related with the pre-poll problems, and the 3 cases were registered after the post-poll. That is after countings. We have arrested total 69 people during the election. 13 people were arrested pre-poll and 56 people were arrested. No, 56 were arrested pre-poll and 13 were arrested post-poll. Our seizure was very good and it has broken all the earlier records. 50 years record, there was not such a huge seizures done by either police or the other election department. If I remember correctly, the total seizure was in the range of nearly 76-77 crores, and this was the 8 times higher than that of the earlier seizure. Police seized nearly the 3.06 crore cash, 1.95 crore rupees worth liquor, 12 crore rupees worth drugs, 30 lakh rupees gold, and 32 lakh rupees freebies. So this was in nutshell our achievement of the seizure during the election times.